Hey, welcome to another drawing stuff with me, Paul Yateman video. This sketchbook is from when I was doing a diploma of commercial arts / graphic design. So there'll probably be lots of thumbnail sketches and stuff. I think that was this one here was based on and it's out of focus again, is it? Nah, who cares? Refilm it if it is focused. Poster design I was working on, maybe another poster design I was working on, just some glasses 50 style, more glasses 50 style, just my printer details, working on texturing, a Geiger sculpture, more Geigery stuff. That's a thing I have at home. That was a toy lizard I had at home. Working on the lizard a bit more. Don't know. Working on movement. More on movement. More on movement. Still life on food. Still life on food. Notes. I think I was working on some tessellating pattern here and drew that. Maybe various objects for it. Cthulhu thing. Doesn't show up too well, but meh. I worked on that one a bit more. Ideas for a sports store. Designing stuff, I think, for a website at the time. Supposed to be self-portrait based on a photo of me at the beach. Stuff. That Alien Predator is very similar, or maybe it's working on the concept I had earlier, which is that one. Working on design, an idea, working on various text, working on 50s something, mascot for 50s expo. Maybe doing a pig, maybe doing a radio. Working on piggy design. Working on a beatnik armadillo from the looks of it. Two different versions. Beatnik tortoise. Beatnik rabbit. I wound up going with something like that. So there's basically much that will end up being a beatnik rabbit once I put glasses on it. Cherry. Elvis rabbit. 50s hair. Tooth. It's basically still life drawing based on tooths I've had pulled out. And one of those actually got pulled out without any anaesthetic working, so yay for fucking ancient dentistry techniques. Terminator idea, Predator idea. Working on website logos potentially. Biomechanical thing inspired by Frederick August. Lady, I think that was from a photographic reference. That was construction happening in Box Hill in Melbourne back on the 13th, 11th, 2012. 11 years ago and a bit. Spaceship designs. More spaceship designs. Going from all the biomechanical look, organic look. That one explored into that. Oh, maybe that one worked on in that. Heli chopper of some description. Dragon. More flying things. Crappy looking spaceship. Better looking spaceship inspired by Liftoff, which is this book. Other one inspired by something in Liftoff. I think I was basing that on either something in a magazine or the Robocop figurine I have. I'm working on quick and fast motion form things there. Exploring stuff. Obviously going with silhouettes. I shouldn't say obviously because it mightn't be. Trying to do some sort of mechanoid armored platform there. Predator. Another Predator. I was working on an Aliens poster there, which I went up doing in Illustrator. That wound up getting put into a poster as well that I did just for heck of it. Working on a website. Drawing a Predator toy I have. Working on a website. Working on a website. More working on website. Website. Generic cycles. More website stuff. Blah blah blah. Still life. Figurine, figurine, figurine. That's supposed to be a gargoyle, a stormtrooper USB stick, an elephant. Female lying down. Belly button. Hair, sheets, legs. More spaceshipy stuff. More spaceships. Spaceships. My own designs there. Some anatomy stuff. People. More people. More people. Still life. Pizza proper upper, piece of a camera holder, and a wooden mouse, or maybe it wasn't even wooden mouse. Anyway, some sort of cat toy, I think. And then working on, I think when I first started doing challenges, is the art challenge for December, back in 2020 maybe? Anyway, that's that sketchbook done. Yay! Stay tuned for the next one. You've been watching Drawing Stuff with me, Paul Yateman. Subscribe, like, share, all that fun stuff. Woohoo!